Guys, I just heard a gunshot. Man, I'm so fucking freaked out. It was so loud it got my dog shaking. Right, Coco? You scared? Yeah, man. It's been going off. Lots of people are outside and stuff. It woke me up. Way in the fucking like 6 o'clock in the morning, man. And I just heard this fucking gunshot. It looked like a Glock, like boom, like, boom, boom. Yeah, it's like, oh shit. I don't even know what to do, man. I can't even go back to freaking sleep. I gotta calm my little dog. You wanna see her? I wanna see what she actually looks like. I can't even see her. Yeah, Coco. Yeah. I don't know what to do. Leave a like, comment, and whoever should, and comment me and saying that how many gunshots did you hear? Whoever puts the best gun that they ever heard will win a free big old poster drawing from me.